Hi guys. Today we will discuss website ranking. I will explain to you the 7 easy steps to ranking your website faster. By following these 7 steps, I guarantee you will get free organic traffic in the next 3 to 5 months. My name is Nick, and I am on the team at wpgopro.com. We assist you with improving your WordPress skills so you can make more money for yourself, your clients, and your business. If you haven't already, please subscribe and ring the bell so you don't miss any future videos. Also, give the video a thumbs up so Google knows it was helpful to you. Let's get started with the video now. One, install and activate an SEO plugin on your site. The first step is to install and activate an SEO plugin. It is advised to use the free version of the Rank Math SEO plugin. When you install an SEO plugin, it will take care of many essential search engine optimization tasks for you. For example, if an older blog article lacks an SEO title or description, the plugin may create one for you. 2. Register your website with Google Search Console. The Google Search Console is a free tool offered by Google that allows website owners to monitor the performance of their website in search results. It enables you to monitor search rankings and get notifications when Google is unable to crawl or index any page on your website. You'll also be able to automatically inform Google of any new content you post by utilizing a sitemap. 3. Add XML Sitemaps to Google Search Console. An XML sitemap is a file that specifies all of your website's content in XML format, so that search engines such as Google may quickly find and index it. WordPress includes simple XML sitemaps, which you may access by appending wp-sitemaps.xml to the end of your website's URL, for example, https://example.com/wp-sitemap.xml. The Rank Math plugin, on the other hand, produces its own XML sitemaps which can be used instead. 4. Optimise your new content for SEO visibility. Using the Rank Math SEO plugin, in the settings box of each of your pages or posts, you can simply create a meta title and description. As a result, your content will be enhanced for search engine rankings. 5. Add internal links. An internal link is one that takes you to another page on your own website. Internal links to your own content have a significant effect on SEO. To boost your SEO, make it a practice to provide links to your most essential information in every new piece of your content. This may help your older content rank higher. 6. Write between 15 and 20 blog posts per month. Those posts will be picked up by the Google search engine, and if you have used the right keywords, your website will start getting increased free organic traffic. 7. Share your content. Another fast method to promote your new blog articles is to share them with your social media followers on sites such as Facebook, Twitter, Pinterest, and others. To gain the greatest interaction on social media, make sure your post appears excellent on all platforms. Right guys, I hope you enjoyed this quick video. My name is Nick and I want to thank you for taking the time to watch this. Don't forget to subscribe and the thumbs up button. Also, leave your comments below. Have fun with it till next time, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace and health.